Hello friends, today I will make popcorn with chaat masala. It's cooked in 5 to 7 minutes. This quick, tasty vegetarian snack satisfies hunger very quickly. It goes very well with tea or coffee or cold drinks. If you are a new friend, then please subscribe, like and comment before leaving. Please also visit my gardening channel, Cheap Gardening. Link will be shared in the description box. Let's quickly view the ingredients used. Heat a Khoi in medium flame. Add sunflower oil 1/8 cup, butter salted or unsalted half teaspoon. Mine is salted. Stir to avoid butter getting burnt. Add salt 1/4 teaspoon and yellow corn seeds 1/4 cup. Mix the corn well with other ingredients. Cover the Khoi with its cover and roast the corn in medium heat. Note, since popcorn needs to pop and increases in size 4 to 5 times, take a big Khoi or pressure cooker or utensil with a lid that closes the utensil properly. I have taken a big 3-liter non-stick Khoi with a lid. We can also make popcorn in microwave. Do not open the lid till popcorn is ready. From time to time, hold both the handles of the Khoi and shake it clockwise and anti-clockwise so that all the corn seeds get heat equally and the seeds are not buried under the popped corn. You can see that the corns have started to pop. While shaking it, we are not hearing the sound of solid seeds moving. It means all corn has popped. Switch off the flame. Wait for 1 minute to see if any corn pops. None is popping. Open the lid. Wow, the popcorn looks beautiful. A very nice smell of hot popcorn has filled my kitchen. See, there is no unpopped corn in the Khoi. 1/4 cup of yellow corn has given me about 7.5 cups of popcorn. Add chaat masala half teaspoon and butter half teaspoon and mix well. Remember, chaat masala and butter has salt. We have also added salt, so please be careful about adding the chaat masala and butter. I have garnished popcorn with chaat masala 1/4 teaspoon and melted butter 1 teaspoon. I have microwaved butter for 30 seconds to melt it. I will serve it hot with hot tea or coffee. It serves 2 to 3 people. See you in the next video. Bye.